This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter with RCR Wireless News. I'm here at LTE North America with Ross Kassan of Spirent Communications, and we're going to be talking about some of the products that you guys are launching this week, specifically Landslide Edge and Landslide Core. So tell us a little bit about them.
Yeah, we're really excited about these products. This is basically based on our laboratory products. So this isn't a new piece of software by any means. It's something that we've been developing for many, many years, but it's a new application in that we have traditionally been in the lab testing out the mobile core devices, diameter devices, IMS networks, Wi-Fi. But now we're using that technology that we've developed through partnerships with carrier customers and network equipment manufacturers and bringing that out into the live network. So we've got two products that we're announcing. The first one is called Landslide Edge, and both allow proactive testing in the real network. And this allows you to get a view for what's going on by sending a little bit of test traffic, emulating a real subscriber out in the network, connecting at basically any interface within the mobile network.
Wow. So this is quite a leap for you guys, coming from the lab into the live network and, serving as more, I think, of a monitoring function than necessarily maybe a traditional, more simulation side.
Exactly. We like to refer to it as proactive monitoring, where we're actually sending a little bit of traffic. And this concept is out there in the network today, but traditionally it's used at the Ethernet level. There's examples like 2544 or TWAMP that run on the backhaul of the network today. But what we do is we take it on the user plane and control plane of the network and allow you to run a full voice over LTE call and give you a full set of statistics on both the control plane aspects of that, how long did it take the call to attach, did the call attach, and those types of metrics, as well as on the actual voice call flow, what was the actual voice QoE. And that's just one example. We can pretend we're basically a consumer of any different carrier service or over-the-top service from our emulated UE.
Now, there's Landslide Edge and Landslide Core.
Right.
Did we touch on Landslide Core significantly? I don't think we have yet.
Yeah, so the difference between the two products, again, Landslide Edge is designed to go at the edge of the network. Yeah. It scales to 50 UEs. And the Landslide Core product is more designed for testing the core devices. So things like a PCRF database, an MME, the core gateway nodes. And so it scales up to about 10,000 UEs. And an example of why you would want to do that is if I just applied an upgrade to one of those devices during a maintenance window and I wanted to validate that it's up and working, we could turn on 10,000 UEs against that system, validate it during the maintenance window, and then kind of go back to a mode where we're running one or two to emulate the various different carrier services, as well as perhaps their roaming partners' services, just to validate that all the connectivity is there.
What did you guys hear from customers that sent you in this direction?
Yeah, so some of it's been our doing, and some of it's been, we've been getting a lot of pull from our customers as they have evolved their networks. One of the big pulls is actually the concept of virtualization, though we're not dependent on virtualization for this product. It is creating a bit of a demand for our product in that traditionally customers have used passive probing to capture a lot of data on the network, but traditionally that gives you information on what has happened. So you can go back and troubleshoot and figure out what happened, why the outage happened. But what we're focusing on, again, is the proactive piece, trying to get carrier statistics about what is happening right now on the network to try to predict some of these outages and ideally prevent them from happening in the first place.
Ross, thank you so much for your time today.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.